हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि दितलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ हिंदी इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end, and let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is accept. It means स्वीकार करना. The next word is lament. It means विलाप करना. The next word is declare. It means घोषित करना. The next word is clarify. It means स्पष्ट करना. The next word is notify. It means सूचित करना. The next word is cancel. It means रद्द करना. The next word is oppress. It means अत्याचार करना. The next word is prepare. It means तैयार करना. The next word is protect. It means रक्षा करना. The next word is tempt. It means प्रलोभन. The next word is solve. It means हल करना. The next word is existence. It means अस्तित्व. The next word is flatter. It means खुशामद करना. The next word is hunt. It means शिकार करना. The next word is success. It means सफलता. The next word is announce. It means घोषणा करना. The next word is punish. It means सजा देना. The next word is invest. It means निवेश करना. The next word is continue. It means जारी रखना. The next word is measure. It means नापना. The next word is refuse. It means अस्वीकार करना. The next word is vibration. It means कंपन. The next word is motivate. It means प्रेरित करना. The next word is corruption. It means भ्रष्टाचार. The next and last word is prediction. It means भविष्यवाणी. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.